Israel arrests 22 Palestinians in West Bank raids. 2 Sikh Palestinians face death in Israeli prison. PLO. Government forces recapture Yemeni city from separatists. UK Islamophobic incidents rose after Johnson's article. Security officer and 3 militants killed in Tunisia clashes. At least 3 killed, 4 injured in Somalia suicide bombing. 6 Al-Shabaab militants killed, villages liberated. EU to provide $9.8 million to Myanmar. Over 100 Taliban killed in northern Afghanistan. Taliban killed 16 Afghan forces amid peace talk. Bangladesh reiterates telecom ban in Rohingya camps. Inaction over Kashmir lead to military strife.